Hey, so today I thought I would do a room tour of my second year room at university. So here it is. So here is my door when you walk in, and straight away I have my Walking Dead canvas hanging up. Down there I have my doorstop and a wash basket. Fabulous, I know. This is a door to the boiler, and on it I've just hung up just my dressing gown and some hoodies. That's my university hoodie. Around here I have a big wardrobe built in. Ceiling to floor. It's huge. I'm not quite tall enough for it. And then I've just hung up some bags there, and then I've just got my university bag which I'm putting stuff in to get ready, and then just some leftover washing there. Here is kind of like where I put all my makeup and stuff, and just like sprays. Yeah, I'm not really too interested in them. And then I have these drawers which I keep most of my clothes in, and then it comes up with a little cabinet under there which I've just got a load of crap put in there. And then just up there is just where I keep my suitcase, and there's a fan there as well because this room gets really hot. And then I have a full mirror. And then over here is my bookshelf. I decorated this wall with photos of all my friends and family. So then on the top I have my printer, and then just some more photographs over here. The next shelf, I've got all my university books kind of there at the back. Most of them are first year. Second year it's kind of just anthologies that I used. And also have all my pop figures. So we've got a Minion that my boyfriend's sister got me. And we've got Glenn from The Walking Dead, Negan from The Walking Dead, Rick from The Walking Dead, and then I think that's George from Harry Potter, Hermione, Harry Potter, Dumbledore, Luna, which is the first one my boyfriend got me, Deadpool, Gamora, and then we've got the Joker and Harley Quinn. And yeah, it's just with all my books. Believe it or not, when I came to uni it started with 3. The collections kind of got a bit out of hand. So then on this shelf is kind of a bit more decorated, I suppose. Again with some photographs, my snow globes. I have a huge collection back at home, and these are just 2 that I've picked up over the time I've been here. So this is from Canterbury Cathedral, and I also collect thumbnails as well. So. And then these are like books that I want to read, but I don't have time to read. I've been at university. And then also some of the books I've had to read this time as well. Yeah, and then I just got a diffuser there. And this box here has the Quidditch ball chest in it. So we've got the quaffle and the snitch and everything. And then just got some Assassin's Creed stuff there. And this is my other snow globe from when I went to Rome in my first year, which is really cool. And here is a photo that we got at the Harry Potter studio tours, my recent visit there. I should have put it in that frame. And behind it are like my PlayStation games and a few DVDs that I have there as well. And this bottom shelf is kind of like, these are all my notebooks and just like uni stuff, so your notebooks, there's some revision cards there, a lot of folders there as well. It's annoying because in this room I don't have any shelves to put them on, so I've just kind of been bundled down there, and some maps when I go walking. And then I've got this fluffy rug that I had bought for first year, but I didn't get to have it in first year, so I got it for second year. Over here is my bed stand, my side table, and yeah, it's just got a photograph of me and my boyfriend, and yeah, an alarm clock, a lamp, and a glass. Down here is like medicines, both of them are kind of medicines, and then there's just like a chocolate frog box down there and some headphones. And this is my comfy bed, currently with Harry Potter bed on. And then I've got a huge Ravenclaw flag that my boyfriend got me, which is really cool. And then over here as well, we've got some signs I got from Primark, but I couldn't resist. And then I do have some fairy lights that go all around the top, which make it really homely when it's in the evening. And yeah, then these are my cushions. So I've just got a Harry Potter one. This is one that my boyfriend got me. I made this pillow myself with a Harry Potter quote. And then another one that just says "Adventure is out there." And then just some plain ones at the back. This is the place with the best lighting. So that's where I get ready with my makeup in the morning. And I also have my wand up there, Sirius Blacks. And then just some more headphones. Now just my desk. So yeah, I've got my TV there and my PlayStation's behind it. And I've used some of my course books to keep an area out there because I'm a good student. And yeah, this is kind of my pinboard of just random stuff I've collected. Yeah, it's just like a memory board kind of thing. I don't know, I think it looks pretty cool, even though it's a bit sporadic, but yeah, I like it. I've got loads of train tickets here as well, from places I've been. It's really cool. So yeah, here's just where I study, and like, yeah, got some revision stuff, more notebooks, my laptop. Yeah. And to kind of keep this chair a bit more comfortable because it's horrible, I've put a Ravenclaw throw over it and put my Ravenclaw bag, what my room looks like. So yeah, that was just my room tour. I was lucky enough to get the biggest room in the house. So yeah, I mean, I like it. I've tried to make it my own, even though I'm only here for this year. But yeah, I can call this room our home until I leave. So yeah, that was my room tour. Bye!